All right, today we're gonna bring a beautiful file cabinet, and if you guys can see, we are actually at a wood shop right now. We're gonna set up our tools in here and secure them because we wanna make sure that our property gets properly secure. And if you guys can see, this is a beautiful, elegant file cabinet. You can put a lot of weight in here, a lot of sections. You got 1, 2, and 3 sections to put it away. Now, one of the best things I like about it, you can readjust every single floor that's set up in here. So you can make them larger or shorter if you want. Easy by removing the clips and adding the clips. It's gonna take about 2 people to carry in because it's about 100 pounds to carry the steel metal. Easy to set up. Instructions are very thorough, very simple to put together in place. We actually use a tool to put it together. You can make readjustments on this thing. This thing will not take out of shape once you build it because there's a lot of strong points and joints to hold the whole thing together. Perfect. As you can see, we have the actual file cabinet. We use it for our tools, mainly for our tools here to secure them. If you can see, it doesn't get out of shape. It's very elegant, easy, smooth, and when you open it up, both doors open up. You got plenty of room for all your tools. You could even add additional rack space if you want. It's up to you if you want to divide the spaces in here. So you got plenty of room for what you want to set up in here. On top of that, you have to open one drawer at a time. So when you open the drawers, you got to make sure you open one first, and you can put any kind of files in here if you want. It's an option, or close it up, open the next one. You could add tools in here too. So you don't only have one, but you have 2 secure areas. Now, there's 2 separate keys for the top and the bottom. So just to be aware, it's not the same key. They're both separate keys. So don't lock one key under the other one, all right? So just be assured that that's the only thing you should be worrying about, separating the keys.